You just have to put the tomato inside of the air fryer and you will have the best recipe ever. Let's put 1.5 kilograms inside of the air fryer with some garlic, onion, purple onion, a good pinch of salt, pepperoni pepper, dry basil, oil, 150 milliliters of it. And here you can use your favorite seasons, but don't forget to put the basil. Let's mix it with our hands so the season can go in all of these ingredients. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Done that, let's put inside of the air fryer, okay? Let's put it into 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Done that, we are going to take a look at it, just see how the tomatoes look. And look how wonderful, guys. Now we are going to put all of this inside of the blender, including everything, guys, the garlic, the oil, all of the seasons. And let's beat everything very well in the blender. If necessary, go helping with the spoon, okay, that it will work. Just start beating the first tomatoes, that it will be easier after that. Let's go adding the tomatoes as your blender can handle. Don't forget the seasons and all of the garlic. And look at this wonderful homemade sauce. Now just put in a tray that you prefer, and guys, take a look at this wonder. It is super delicious. The season is amazing, guys. Super natural, okay? This sauce you can use for pastas, any recipes. You can use and abuse this one. People who love tomato soup, so you can use it in different ways. Make it at your house and try this experience. You can keep it in the fridge or make little pots of it and always have this tomato sauce at your house, okay? See how easy it is to make in the air fryer, beat in the blender, season it very well, that it's gonna be better than the one you buy in the supermarket. Way better and also way healthier, right? And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Guys, see you on the next video.